Bye, Mr. Pickles. Watch the house.
Yeah, Stacy, I'll get right on that. Ever since we got Uma Home Security, I've been able to take some well-deserved R&R. It's hard to compete with Uma's 24/7 protection for every part of the house. Plus, Uma is so easy to set up, they just did it themselves, which is great because I can't be doing everything around here. And there's no need to pay outrageous monitoring fees or sign any contracts, which makes Uma a lot less expensive than those other big-name brands. I mean, why spend lots of money on home security when they can spend it on the things that really matter? Plus, unlike an old dog, Uma can learn new tricks. They just set it up the way they want and activate different modes for when they're away or if they've turned in for the night. They can monitor the house and review logs, and Uma is always on guard. So if something funny's going on, they'll be notified through the app, by text, by email, or by phone call. And Uma is the only home monitoring system that actually calls them in the event of an emergency, giving them the option to trigger 911 remotely from anywhere. That's really putting in some extra effort if you ask me. Uma can even automatically turn on cameras when activity is detected and set them up to recognize familiar faces, like this handsome mug here. Alerts will also notify them of water leaks, broken pipes, and other water-related emergencies. Uma's geofencing feature automatically arms or disarms the system when their cell phones get within range, so there are no false alarms. Nothing worse than getting all riled up over nothing.
Hey, buddy. Guard the house today?
Oh yeah, it was exhausting. Uma Home. Seriously smart security.